Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV28. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV28 is making a strange noise, it can be quite concerning. This noise often indicates a problem with the motor or perhaps a blockage somewhere in the device. If left unattended, it could lead to more severe damage, ultimately costing you more in repairs or even requiring a complete replacement. Let's get started on fixing this issue. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set with various heads, a pair of pliers, and some electrical contact cleaner. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws on the main body of the vacuum and use the appropriate screwdriver to remove them. Be sure to keep them in a safe place so you don't lose any. Once the screws are removed, gently pry apart the casing. Take care not to use excessive force as this might damage the clips holding the casing together. Now, let's locate the motor, which is usually situated at the rear of the unit. You might hear the noise coming from this area, indicating a possible fault. To extract the motor, disconnect any cables attached to it. It's important to remember how they connect, so take a photo if necessary. The motor is typically secured by a couple of screws, which you'll need to remove. Apply even pressure while unscrewing to avoid stripping the screws. If you find it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the motor is detached, inspect it for any visible damage or debris. Clean it gently with the electrical contact cleaner to remove any dust that may have accumulated. If the motor is damaged, you will need to replace it with a new one. When installing the new motor, reverse the steps you follow to remove the old one. Ensure all screws are tightened securely without overdoing it, as this could lead to further issues. Reconnect all cables, ensuring they are firmly in place. Before closing the casing, it's a good idea to test the vacuum to ensure it's working correctly and that the noise has been resolved. If everything is functioning well, carefully align the casing and press it back together, then reinsert the screws you removed earlier. To prevent this problem from returning, regularly clean your Dyson and check for blockages. Keeping the filters clean and replacing them as needed will also help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.